I'd like to know when we're does she need me as she breathes? Does she need me as she breathes?
So it's Monday morning. Today I'm taking the train to Chitlong, where I'm going to try and take a channel boat to Khao Road. Not sure if I'll be able to get the channel boat, but I'll see.
Does she need me as she breathes? I'd like to know when we're
And now heading to where I think the boat is. I'm not sure where the boat is, but just look at this city, bro. How long is that screen? It's like 100 meter of screen by at least 3 meters. 100 meters by 3 meters at least.
does she be as she breathes?
I found it. I found the boat. Or the boat stop.
Does she?
Okay, so far what I can figure out, you need to be on that side if you want to go in that direction.
I'd like to know. I'd like to know.
What?
Yeah.
How much is it to move that boat?
ตัวโบ๊ท one way 100 บาท ตัวโทร number 6 for 3 road 100 บาท 1 person
100 baht.
yeah ตัวโทรภาษา
Okay.
road last number 5 walk by tuk-tuk and taxi
How much to Khao Road?
Yes.
How much?
11 baht.
11 baht. Thank you. Okay, made it to the very last stop on the channel boat. Gonna have to walk this last few, I think it's like a kilometer or so. It's not that far, but I traveled a few kilometers. I don't know how far it was, but I'll put it here or here or somewhere for 11 baht. It's cheap. One thing I've noticed, what's kind of confusing for me, is that the light is red. They can still turn left if there's no oncoming traffic. So when you're crossing the road, you still need to make sure, you still need to watch out for the traffic coming your way. Otherwise, they'll run you over. I think it's this way. That's Khao Road. That's a must do if you're coming to Bangkok. That is where all the excitement happens. Hello, boss. Apparently there's a must do list for Khao Road. Enjoy street food, get tattoo, have massage, chills, beer. that is Khao Road. I know it gets a lot busier than that. It's super quiet because it's Monday and it's still light. Towards the weekend, it's the atmosphere. You just need to see it. I'll come back, film it. But that's it for now. I'm heading towards the subway station now. I think it should be the same as the SkyTrain, but I'm not sure. But this will be the first time I'm riding on a subway. Those two are wearing GoPros. I can't take the subway for too far, then I need to get in the BTS anyway, so.
And platform.
Almost home. I'll leave some information about how the channel boat works and Google Maps locations where I got on and off, so you can go read about it. Okay, bye.